Today, I will show you a website where you can write reviews for different products and get paid instantly. This is a great way to make money online in 2022. If that sounds interesting to you, then watch this video carefully and follow me along so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. The first step for you is to go to google.com and search for a keyword called Capterra. Now, I want you to open up this first website that says Top Software at Capterra Software Reviews. This is what you'll see as soon as you land on Capterra.com. This is a place, a tool, and a platform that will pay you to write various software and program reviews. Don't worry, you don't have to buy that software and you don't even have to use it. You can do the task in under 5 minutes, but have used where using the software always helps. As I previously stated, I'll show you how to do that in less than 5 minutes. As you can see, there are over 800 different categories to choose from, and within each category, there are hundreds of different software to review. You can see that they are proud to offer over 1 million verified software reviews, and you can simply do the math to see how much money people manage to make with Capterra.com. You may be wondering why they would pay you $20 for every 5 minutes that you work. The answer is that the software owner and the product owner are willing to pay that much money because getting more 5-star reviews and positive feedback increases their revenue. The third step for you is to click right here where it says Write a Review. That will take you to the next page where you can discover thousands of different companies and thousands of different products which you can write a review for, as well as search for those products and company names. As you can see, you could indeed review all of these popular products that other professionals are using. These are just a few of the most popular softwares which you can review. However, there are literally thousands and thousands of other softwares which you can write a review and earn money, so there will be no shortage of ways to make money with Capterra.com. Now, if you go to Browse Categories, you will see thousands upon thousands of different categories of software that you can write about, with everything from business to customer service, data collection to email softwares. The list goes on, and each of those that you review will earn you real money. So as you can see, there's a lot of potential just on this website alone. Let's say you want to write a review for Grammarly Business. Rather than just clicking on it and writing the review, here's a really useful tip that will save you a lot of time and effort. Copy the actual software title, and then go back to Google and search for that software review. For this video, I do Grammarly Business, and you can get all the different reviews here online. From that, you can write your own. Of course, you can change the text to make it your own, but don't copy and paste it because you won't make any money that way. Instead, you can get an idea from their reviews and what they truly said about the software, which will save you a lot of time and money because you won't have to spend hours and hours learning about the software, determining the pros and cons, and you won't have to spend hundreds of dollars on software. Now that you know all of that, let me show you a real-life example of how you'll actually complete the review and how you'll be paid. So you'll go to Capterra and click on Write a Review, which will take you to this page where you'll select which company, product, or software you want to review. In this case, I'd like to review Grammarly Business. Simply click on it and you'll be taken to the review page, where you'll be asked to fill out some basic information about yourself, such as your first and last names, email address, and other basic information. Then it asks you some additional questions, such as how frequently do you use this software, and I propose that you choose daily to weekly rather than monthly, since monthly implies that you are not using the software frequently enough and your review will most likely be rejected, so I would recommend daily. What function do you play in using this software? Obviously, you're just a user because you purchased the software, which was the first of 3 steps we needed to complete. Let's move on to the next one. So click the next button right here. Now you just need to rate the actual software. So what is the overall quality of the software? You can just go back and see what other people said. The overall rating for this one is 5 out of 5, and believe me, the better review you write, the higher your chance to make money. It's always better to leave a 5-star review if the software is really good based on other people's experiences. So for ease of use, you could say 4 for this one, 5, 4, and let's say 5 for this one, even though these are really optional. Now you can write other features. This is also optional, but the more you complete, the higher your chances of making money. So if you don't mind just picking a few, you don't have to finish them all. After that, you'll choose how Grammarly's cost compares to similar products, and you'll be able to see if it was far too expensive mid-tier or not at all. And finally, you'll choose how Grammarly's cost compares to similar products. Now, how likely are you to recommend a friend or colleague about this software? I'd say 9. The final step is to give your review a title. You can get ideas from other people's reviews, such as Easiest Grammar Correction Tool. So I'd say Essential Grammar Correction Tool or something similar. You don't have to copy and paste the entire title. You can tweak it a little bit. Now you'll write the pros and cons as well as what you like best about this software. You could get an idea from other people's reviews, just change a few things. And then this is optional. You can leave it blank, but the more forms you fill out and the more details you give them, the more money you'll make because more software owners will accept your review, so definitely don't leave it blank where it says optional. You can choose whether you switch from another product or not. For example, you could click yes, then say what product you switch from. For example, you switch from Pro Writing Aid. So I can search for Pro Writing Aid right here in the final step. Just tick this box by submitting this review. I certify to Capterra and its affiliates that I am the person I represent to be. Obviously, you are. If you wrote your real name and last name, and make sure to enter your real information. After that, just click submit and you are done. All of this will take you less than 5 minutes and you will be paid $20 for just one review. That's it for this video. Please support us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.